cuckoo bird is the ultimate deadbeat parent and a criminal mastermind. Instead of building a nest, the mother spies on a tiny warbler's home. The second the owners leave, she swoops in, eats one of their eggs, lays her own, and flies away. Her egg even matches theirs. But the real crime begins when her chick hatches. The cuckoo chick is blind and completely bald. Yet before its eyes even open, its very first instinct is pure murder. It pushes itself right under the warbler's real eggs and rolls them straight out of the nest to smash on the ground. Then it tricks the foster parents by mimicking the cries of an entire brood, making them think several chicks are begging for food. The fooled warblers work relentlessly, feeding this giant monster baby as it grows 5 times their size. The chick gets so huge the tiny mom must stand on its back just to feed it, never realizing she's raising the very creature that destroyed her own family.